We have an iPhone 6S. It's got a bad battery. Let's replace it. First we're going to do is take out the screws. There's the 2 screws. Now we're going to heat her up a little bit and get the screen off. Let's open it up. We're going to take those 2 screws out and disconnect the battery. Now we're going to finish by removing the rest of our screen so we can put a new seal on and it can at least be somewhat water resistant. Now we're going to take our Taptic engine out so it'll be easier to pull these 2 pull tabs. Now we got that out, it's time to get those 2 pull tabs. This last battery strip out. Hopefully I don't break it. Satisfying. Get rid of our old battery. Got it all clean, so now I'm going to install the seal. Got that pretty seal on. Got everything installed, so let's close her up. Putting the top in first. Got 2 little clips that go in the top, just like so. And then the rest end just snaps into place. There's clips on. Put the 2 bottom screws in. Now I got that there, and we got life. That would be a successful battery change for iPhone 6S. Fantastic.